Welcome my people. Now see this wall decoration, so na me do am by myself, and I promise say I go teach you now. So just watch the video. It's very self-explanatory. Cut carton into this size, cut cardboard into this size, use your scissors to mark it X from inside. The way I do am, you fit replay the video make you see wetin I dey talk. Then make it come out like this. Then carry super glue, no be water gum, this kind glue or super glue. Use am take gum all the edges. Yes, the way you dey see so. Yes, welcome my subscribers. And if you are new here, this is heart to heart, where we do things heart to heart. We talk about life, we talk about God, we talk about everything. We learn together. Yes. So now, this is the edges. You don't just fold it, if not you won't get the perfect edge. So you cut it this way. Yes, now so you go take cut am. Look am well, very simple. Just find carton, buy cardboard, gum, scissors dey house now. When you fit take do this thing, no need to dey go shopping mall or ShopRite to go dey buy heavy duty wallpaper. Last when you go quick fade. This one na homemade wallpaper when you fit do with your hand by yourself. When you free, fit settle down, you do am. E no dey hard now. E don couple. Una go see the end. See that picture when you first see as you enter the video. Na so e be for wall. E dey my room. I get the videos for my e dey, everything dey here. All the videos wey you need, everything dey inside. I get everything. So make sure say after you don watch this video, go enter inside my page. Yes, enter inside, watch all the videos. Yes, you see the way e be. Na so I do butterfly. Oh yeah.